Huh?
get it. I said it'll go away. The pediatrician will get it when they go to the doctor next week.
Mm-hmm. They'll tell you it's completely normal. Warm compress is all they're gonna do for it. He's so long. He's so long. You are so perfect. I know it. I know it. I'm sorry I'm messing with you. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. We ain't doing nothing yet, handsome. Our little tongue. Oh, you pretty. Mm-mm-mm. You pretty boy. So did your water break at home? Tell me all about it. Did you get induced?
Yeah.
Did you? How was that?
Everything, but
He just didn't want to come?
mm-hmm.
I feel like I had a slew of babies born on the 26th, between the 26th and the 28th, and they were all over their due date, which has been a change because all of my babies have been early lately and like 4 pounds. Like the little girl I had yesterday isn't due until next week, but she was 13 days old yesterday and she was 4 pounds 3 ounces. She's crazy. But they let her come home because she was good to go. But her mama like had really high blood pressure. So her going into labor was kind of a good thing. You were trying to eat your hand. Well, can't do that. You tuck your elbow back down. I know. What are you doing, baby? What's happening? What's happening? He is hunting. Does he have a passy?
We try it. He doesn't usually like it, but
Yeah. He's hunting, but I don't want to overfeed him for the sake of a session. I can't stand when people do that. And if he just ate 30 minutes ago, then I know he's not hungry, but he's a boy. That's all it is.
he'll eat for a long time though.
Does he eat for a long time?
Yes, he does.
That's okay. Alright, I'm gonna keep going, okay? So you're gonna feel me bring your legs up. Let me get you a pillow.
We did bring your dad's hats. Sarah and the girl in it.
The hats. Can I see those? Because I didn't know what type of hats, like baby hats, or like are they full hats, are they cowboy hats, or?
No, like one of them is my dad's Alabama visor, and
Okay.
one of them is his dad's hunting.
Okay.
So they're two opposite hats, but it doesn't.
Okay. Perfect.
They will make for a cute photo, I'm sure, because his is like orange with like camo.
We can make it happen.
So
But
just as long as they're
we can make them cuter than you think.
Okay.
I'm about to put your second layer on, okay? Now this is just to secure that potato belt. Yeah, that's okay. Him smiling. He is pretty. I know you see it every time you look at him, but this is just me telling you, he's pretty to me.
He's pretty to me too.
Mm-hmm. I know he is. Oh. Birdie. I bet you is loved and loved a whole bunch, huh? You can hang those clothes in that dressing room. Can I see yours? Oh, that is a loud hat.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Very loud. Whew. I can make that work.
Yeah. Just something.
I can add it into that bucket shot and then add some like leaves and stuff and make him look like it's a camo picture. Well, not camo, but like hunting, like classy hunting. We can make that look good. Now the Alabama, it's a sin for me to photograph that, so I don't know if I can. I'm a Georgia fan. I'm from Georgia. Like, not a bandwagon fan. I stuck through them through Mark Rick, and I'm very mad that we got Mike Bobo back. Like, I will talk football all day long. Fun facts. But,
This week they cut it close.
oh my God. And I feel in my bones we're going to have our first L against Kentucky this weekend. Like, you can't convince me we're not going to lose. Like, Mike Bobo's big thing, and I remember it with Mark Rick, and I was always like, why do we go up the middle? That is all that man knows how to do, period. Drives me nuts. So I'm going to watch us go up the middle and get a big old L this weekend. And I hate that. That means my husband's going to be grumpy. And my mama's coming tomorrow. He's going to be extra grumpy.
Is your husband a Georgia fan too?
Yeah, we're both from the same small town in Georgia.
Oh, okay.
Our high school colors are red and black too, so it was just, I think everybody from my hometown is just a Georgia fan because it's convenient. But, which we did watch the Ole Miss LSU game this weekend. That was such a good game.
There's a few good games.
There were. This was probably the best week of football. And I will say I've enjoyed watching Colorado tank because they learned humility real quick because they had none at the beginning of the season. So to see that happen, nice.